I sat in my favorite chair a couple minutes ago. This is a chair I got at the dump, and I had this crack. This thing is cracked, and I fixed it with a splice. I like pounded a piece of pipe in here, put this outer sleeve on, no welding, couple tapping screws. That was it. It held for many years, and I just sat in it. It crumpled right over backwards, just like this. And I was stuck in it because I was pinned up against some stuff here. I couldn't get out sideways. I finally got out, but this cracked through, see? This side here cracked. And as I just it went right backwards. Just folded on me. So now I gotta try to fix it because it's my favorite chair. And I got this this chair I might use as a donor. See? If I cut this, how about if I cut this here and cut it here? I'll cut it back to here maybe. Looks wider. Maybe I could slide the old pipe in there. And I have a welder now, so I could tack it on there if I want to with the welder. So I see this chair here, this little rod. This was a good chair. I didn't realize it was rotting away, but when the strapping all busted on it, it's just been sitting in the pile here. So now it's going to be a donor chair. What do you think? Will that work? But then I need to cut the other side. I need to cut this for that side, for this side here. So I'll have to get my angle grinder out and start cutting. See, what do you think? Think I'll be able to take this chair and fix this chair? Find out. Part one of my video was my favorite chair here, trying to repair it because the bottom rotted out. And I tried doing this, taking this piece off of another chair and welding it on because it was like this. See? But that didn't work. It broke off. I'm not the best welder, especially with this thin metal. Although this stuck pretty good, but this was too weak in here. So I'm giving up on that. I got plan B or C. I've got these chairs that I got. These are aluminum. It's got a little table. It looks like this is gonna rip through next time you sit on it, but it doesn't yet. So I got two of these. So here's plan B. Is I'm going to take this chair and I'm going to modify it by putting it on this one, which is another donor chair. See? Something like that. And I need to do some modification. Like, I'm going to stick this back here, drill a hole in, screw it in here. Then I'm going to clamp this down to here. I'll cut off the jaggedy edges. What do you think? In that, some people say I move my camera around too fast and it's blurry, so I'm going pro grade. Look at this. I got a tripod and I got this special phone mount because I'm using an iPhone now. See, this thing can pivot different ways. See? And it's got the hole for this. And while we're here, we might as well look at my flower garden. This one here would flop all down. So I put a fence post in the other day. Put a piece of wire around to hold these up. And then flower garden's growing real slow. But the rabbits were in here. I think it was the rabbits were eating my flowers, the zinnias. So I had to put this fence around here so that the flowers could have a chance of growing. So we'll see what happens. There's an airplane, a little flying airplane flying over. Yeah. No big military jet or airplanes today. They're not jets that fly over here. Let's see what else. I guess the rabbits haven't been eating. They haven't gotten in here since I put up the fence. There's marigolds. And there's a hollyhock. And where's the other thing I put in? Did the rabbits eat it? Oh, over there. It's called, I think, Mexican sunflower or something like that. Somebody gave it to me. Mexican cornflower. I don't know. These are some canna bulbs that I got that are coming up. They were like big giant roots. I bought them from a guy at a garage sale for a couple bucks each. You can see where something ate this off. Was nibbling on this. They didn't get to these two. And that had a real pretty flower on it, whatever it was. But the rabbits ate the flower off. Looks like it'll come back. And this is a snapdragon, which maybe will have half a chance now. So anyway, good luck to the flower garden. I brought a few tools out. Every job needs a few tools. Angle grinder to cut off these things. But I need a new blade first. New disc. Got drill bits. And I got this tool to get this thing off. And I got impact drill. And I have some 1/4 inch bolts. Looks like everything's in frame, sort of. I got 1/4 inch bolts. So I'm gonna get at it. That was a pipe I repaired it with last time. It was kind of hard. videoing while I was getting the metal off of this. I got all that side metal cut off, bolts out. I have this, something I picked up curbside just yesterday. Grab now, figure out what you need it for later. So I'm gonna drill a hole through, see if I'm in frame there. Looks like it. Drill holes through so I can put this here. The seat's gonna go on like this. Like so. Drill some holes through. There's a hole right there. Too bad it's not in the right spot. Oh, I got it upside down. Goes this way. Drill a hole through. Put that right through there, like so. See? So I had to, of course, run and get more tools, because you can't do a simple job without getting about 20 tools out. So I got a drill. I got a bigger drill. Now we'll just have to try to do it. Well, the other side drilled amazingly well because this is aluminum. I checked it with the magnet. It's aluminum. Drilled the other side. See if we're level, sort of. That was easy. I don't know why that was so easy. Nothing ever drills that easy. Luckily this bit fits in this chuck. Look at that. Pretty close to good. Well, that was easy to drill because it's aluminum. Now we'll have to drill the right spot on here. Now your drill bit's always be sharp. The thing about working in grass is that you drop all these metal shards here, you can find them when you walk here. Is that right? I get it right. I didn't line that hole up like that. So slowly cooked it. I'll do it anyway. That was a pro, I probably measured something. No pro. I'm bleeding pro here. Completely off. I'll make it work. We'll just have to make it work. That's what we do. We'll make it work. Look at that. It won't work. Let's get this snap or something. Wood would be best so I don't mar up the. Here, it's wood right here. See, lock will come out of this hole here. Look at that. The master stash. Found some stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Progress. Some actually works, sort of. Now let's see. Now I probably should do the same down here. Probably do the same down here with the other threaded rod I picked up. Lucky I picked up 2 of them. You know, but maybe not. Maybe we'll just put a regular bolt through here, not the rod all the way through. Let's see if I can sit on it without falling over. Oh, that's comfortable, sort of. Needs to go. This needs to come out more. Like that. Now we're talking a little bit better. Let's drill some holes. Try it out. There's the right way to do it, and there's the way I do it. This way I'm gonna do it. Show you a trick. Learn an army. Do it down here. Put it down here and try to do. Some of these bolts up together. Some of these up together. Where'd my solder wrench go? My solder wrench away. My solder wrench. Well, right up. See. Oh. Look at that. Perfect. Let's see how stable it is. Seems halfway stable. Well, that's enough hours I put into this. This wasn't so bad today, it was the other day. Spent a lot of hours welding. It's crooked. This is crooked. I could fix it, but I'm not going to. We like crooked stuff here. Armrest still works. I mean, this thing. Look at that. We'll call it a success. Let's see how many tools I used. I had this and this drill bit. I brought this thing out. It's going to the garbage. I had this. You see all these? Probably not. There's how many tools we used. This old one. Use this. This. Here's another drill bit. Here to get the bolts out. And this. And I had this. Scissors and this. That looks like about it. That's not too bad actually. That's only about 10. Requisite 10 anyway. So now we'll put everything away. What do you think? Worth it or not worth it? Look at the profile I got on it now. See? Worth it or not worth it? Worth it to me. This, all this stuff will go to the metal recycling bin. All these scraps. Next week, go to the township recycling bin. Along with this monstrosity I made. This thing, this is what I spent a lot of time on. All going to the crack thing. Oh, I see some more tools. Stepping all over them. This